So, nandito po kami ngayon sa cafe dahil nag-almusal po kami at ready na po kami bumaba dyan. Ayan po. Yan ang aming pupuntahan ngayon. At syempre, meron po kaming gagawin, mag-swimming, mag-snorkel, at marami po kaming activities na gagawin ngayon sa dagat. Okay? So, huwag kayong umalis guys, at syempre, kasama ko yung aking anak, ayan, excited siya. Ayan, nag-almusal po muna kami kasi hanggang 6 hours po yata yung gagawin namin. I'm not really sure, 4 or 5. Hindi ko po na-review ngayong umaga. Pero yun ang pagkakaalam ko, okay? So, yun lang guys. Stay tuned lang kayo dahil hindi pa ako tapos sa araw na to, okay? So, huwag kayong umalis dyan. So, yan guys. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Ayan, need na naming bumaba at time na po para pumunta na kami sa aming bus at doon po kami kita-kita. So ayan guys, yung aming sasakyan ngayon, yung pirate na boat. Diyan po kami magpa-party. At syempre, excited si Dalaginding. Ayan, dalaga ko.
Hi, do I look like Mexican?
Filipina?
Yeah.
And you?
Yeah.
You too or what happened? Your family? You too?
Yeah.
And you come in the English?
Yeah.
How many times you stay in Vallarta? You today?
Just, yeah, that's all.
I've been here many times.
Oh yeah? And do you
Kaya video mo ko.
you visit another places?
Oh yeah. Last time, I think January.
Oh no now. This is for the water activities.
Oh, not only this one.
Okay. Okay. I have the one picture.
Oh yeah.
But say say hi.
In the party.
How do you feel today?
I feel excited.
Are you ready for the Pirates Adventure?
Yes.
No, not yet. Ahoy!
Ahoy!
Perfect.
Ah, it's not allowed. So there's no available here. So baba na lang. Baba? Oo.
I wasn't meeting Moses.
Oh my God. Ready that bring the coupon. Do we need a coupon? Ask. Oh. You look great. Huh?
Wow.
That's all. Uy, we are under. Hey,
Mama,
yes.
that horse is better, eh?
Yep. Oh my.
problemáticas y no queremos que anden como Nemos medios perdidos. Por eso la barra libre con alcohol comienza allá en la playa. Because we have water activities and we don't want you to be like Nemo getting lost. That's why the open bar with alcohol start right over there at the beach. Mi lugar especial, my special place son los baños, the pee rooms. Y los baños están localizados and the bathrooms are located. Where are you going?
Texas, what are you doing?
¿A dónde vas? No lo hagas, no do it.
Los calzonzotes de underwear.
Bruce! Your name, sir? Richard from? Las Vegas.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
sa beach kung saan katatapos lang namin mag-snorkel. At syempre, nandito kami. Marami pang mga activities dito. Magkakaroon pa kami ng banana boat and then kayak. Okay? So, nakita yung aming background. Ayan, ang ganda po ng bridge namin dito. So, sana magustuhan nyo. Enjoy nyo rin guys. Enjoy nyo rin yung view na pinuntahan namin. Okay? Okay? Stop! Yan, nakaubos na siya. Ay, ang ganda. Ay, palalim. Lalim. Oh, ang sarap guys ng tubig. Yan, nag-enjoy ako. Tsaka, medyo malinis naman po. So, wala akong masabi. Guys, babalik na kami. Natapos ng aming party. Diba? Ang saya kayo, no? Saya ng aming party guys. At syempre marami kaming activities na nagawa. So, yan, on the way na kami sa aming cruise ship. Walking lang po kami, walking. Ang ganda ng yate na yan. Uy, kayo maganda dyan mag-picture. Wait. Uy. Yeah. Hasta la vista! Yan, gusto ni Kayo. Yung yati na yan. Ayan guys, nandito na po kami ngayon sa cruise ship. Nakabalik na po kami. At ayan, papasok na kami sa loob. At syempre, ayan, magpapahinga na muna tayo kasi pagod na tayo sa ating excursion. Okidoki. Finally guys, we are here. Nakabalik na po kami dito sa cruise ship. At syempre po, ang saya po ng nagawa naming excursion for today. Pansin nyo guys dito sa right side ko. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo. At nakikita nyo yung aming sinakyan na pirate boat. I don't know kung nakikita nyo yan. Pirate boat. Ayan. At syempre po, nag-enjoy po kami doon sa ginawang mga show ng mga staff doon sa pirate. At, ang hindi ko pala makalimutan. Grabe, sobrang saya ko, sobrang excited ko kasi ang sarap ng food, guys, na aking natikman tong araw na to. Ang laki po ng octopus na yun. Ang laki ng octopus. Pero alam niyo po ba, anong napansin ko? Napansin ko rin na sa misa namin, parang ako lang yata yung umorder ng octopus. Hindi nila alam na ang octopus isa sa pinakamasarap na food talaga, lalo na sa mga seafood. Isa po yan sa pinakamasarap. Pero walang pumansin, ako lang yata. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat. Abangan nyo na lang po ulit ang aking gagawin na video sa susunod. Ayan, meron pa kaming next na excursion. Okay, punta naman kami sa Masatlan. Ayan, doon meron din kami gagawin excursion. At syempre, huwag nyo kalimutan guys. Abangan nyo yun. Okay? So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nag-watch sa video na to. At of course, thanks for watching. Mabuhay!